Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Game From Scratch, and it is Black Friday. All right, it's not Black Friday. This Friday is Black Friday, but Black Friday has become more of a concept than a day these days, and Unity have really taken that to heart. So the Unity Asset Store have launched their Black Friday sale on, Monday, and it actually runs until December the 4th, so it's not exactly a single-day sale by any means, but what it is interesting. So that is what we are talking about today. Now, first off, there is the sale itself, and this is pretty straightforward. They have over 500 assets, 50% off. So you can come in here until December the 4th. You can get a number of top assets, things I've covered on this channel, stuff that's really nice, actually. CCG Kit, Playmaker, Corgi Engine, Gaia, you name it. It's probably 50% off right now. On top of that, and probably the most interesting part of all this, are the lightning sales they're going to be running the entire time. Now, the lightning sales really kind of brings together that whole Black Friday blood sport to save money on a big screen TV type feeling. If you're not from the United States, that probably doesn't make as much sense to you, but there's normally a huge crush of people that go to stores to try and get the best deals. Well, what they've done is they've created these flash sales where you can save up to 90% off. First come, first serve. So what they're doing is for the first 20 or 30 people, you save 90% off. And then you go 80, 70, 60, so on and so forth until they run out. It never goes below 50%, by the way, but they are running these lightning sales over and over and over again. So this started at midnight last night. So you can see a number of these items are currently down to 70% off. So the people that got in here first, the people that got the first 20 or so, got the full savings of 90%. So it looks like it goes 90 down to 70. So let's go take a look at the lightning sales that are going on right now. Now, you're going to notice a few of these are grayed out, such as Dungeon Architect and Low Poly Terrain. That's just because I'm logged into my account right now, and I own those. So that's the only reason why these things are slightly grayed out. But what you're seeing here is these guys are 70% off, and they've got 400 remaining of the limited time sale. So as that kind of gets lower and lower, the price or the amount of discount will go down. So you want to do is get in there right away if you can. So what you can see is the next batch of sales starts at... where's the timer on that one? 3 hours 49. So 49 minutes from now, so probably about when this video goes live or had just gone live, the 100 special effects pack will be 90% off. And then over time, it will drop as people buy more and more. Again, keep in mind, eventually they stop out at 50%. And these will be running through the entire course of the deal. So come on in here. I will link this down below. By the way, if you do use my link to purchase it, I got a small commission, and thank you so much for doing so. But I will have this link there. You're going to want to keep checking back. Again, this sale runs until December the 4th. So right now, Total Music Collection, Pro Radar Builder, Expanse, Volumetric, Skies, Clouds, Atmosphere, Dungeon Architect, Low Polygon Terrain, CCG Kit, Fantasy City Generator, Medieval Kingdom UI are all still 70% off at this point in time, as are Yuffie, Universal Fighting Engine 2, Sweet Sugar, and Pop Blocks, Modern Loft Pack, the Ultimate FPS Weapons Pack, and the Big African Pack. That's the current lightning sales thing. And as you see, through the entire sale, so until December the 4th, we're going to keep getting new lightning sales popping in every few hours. So this one is coming up, again, in just under an hour. And then we're going to have 3 hours after that one starts, we're going to have the Poly Quest World's full pack volume. And then 3 hours after that, we got the game character voices, the animals full pack, monster bundle number 3. So each one of these, as you can see, we're jumping up by 3 hours. So if you're the type of person that doesn't want to sleep ever again, this is the perfect sale for you, because you can sit here and basically keep going as the new ones pop in. When they come in, if you catch them right away, you get 90% off on that asset, which is pretty sweet. And then, of course, it continues to fall as you go. So keep going here. Where did I stop there? So we got the Medieval Village Kit, Dungeon Generator, Candy Match 3 Kit, Activism X5, and then we go on the ones that we know about anyways, Corgi Engine, and the Handcrafted Art 2D Mega Bundle are going to be in a day. That one's definitely going to be popular. If you're interested, I have done a video on the Corgi engine. It's a great kind of 2D framework to get you up and running. It kind of provides all of the stuff you need to make a number of different kind of 2D style games. Then Sci-Fi Armor's full pack, RPG Dungeon Sounds, Realistic Engine Sounds, and then the Fantasy Igons Mega Pack, and then we don't know. I'm going to probably do periodic. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Tweets or Discord or maybe YouTube messages of the upcoming sales as we know about them. But since they're sliding sales and only like the first few people are going to get the best deals, I can't really do individual videos on some of these things, but a lot of these things I have already actually covered. So there is a video on the Corgi engine if you want to go ahead and check that one out. So this one is coming up in a day. And you're going to probably want to be there within the first like 10, 15 minutes if you can do so, or you're not going to get that top savings level. But do keep in mind, each one of these is going to continue to be on sale at 50% off after, until they're sold out, basically. And of course, there is more stuff coming. So there's going to be these lightning sales all the way through until, again, this sale on the whole runs until December the 4th. Also, there is, again, a ton of stuff here that is 50% off. So you can see here, Gaia is in there, U-Modeler is in there, Playmaker is in there, Top-Down Engine, which is from the same guy as the Corgi engine, it is in here, Odin is in here, Puppet Master is in here. So some of the most popular add-ons you've seen here are also in here, 50% off. And then just kind of keep going. RPG Builder is in there. And basically, if you see it and it's grayed out, that means that I own it. And if I own it, there's a pretty good chance I did a review of it. By the way, Peak is great. I love Peak. Mesh Combined Studio, and so on. So if you were looking for something right now, you could probably get it 50% off in the pack right now. Essentially, like most of their most popular or best-selling stuff is in here at the 50% off rate. But the thing I think a lot of you are going to be probably the most interested in are going to be these lightning deals. And again, they're rotating. They come in. The faster you get in, the better savings you get. Here, you can still get 70% off on a bunch of these items, like the CCG kit, which I covered for Unreal Engine, but not for Unity. It's still available at 70% off. But if you want to get in that 90%, you got to be one of the first people to grab it. So your next opportunity, I'm probably not going to be up in time for the special effects one. So the first one you're probably going to get the access to in about 3 hours will be the PolyQuest Worlds Full. So if you're the type, set an alarm, jump in there, try your best to get it. We had some of these monster models in the past too. They're really nice high quality models as well. Pro Factor stuff is always really quite nice. So there's some nice stuff in here. I think, again, the one that people are going to be most stoked about is probably going to be Corgi Engine at 90% off in a day. And then keep in mind, new ones will be coming online throughout the entire sale. So you're going to want to keep an eye on this. If you have like a recommendation on how I can keep you up to date on these things or kind of give you a reminder or whatever without being too spammy, I would love to hear it in the comments down below. I would love to keep you up to date, but again, these things are rotating at a 3-hour basis, so not like I can do a video on each one or anything, as otherwise your YouTube would just be nonstop bing, bing, bing for me. But if you have an idea how I can keep you up to date on these things or how you'd like to do that, do let me know. But I will have the link down below to this page in particular. Just F5 it, save it, F5 it, check it out again and again. Every couple of hours, you're going to have a new lightning sale. You're going to want to get in the first couple of minutes to get the maximum savings of 90% off. But as you see, even if you miss the initial, they still remain 70% off for a while, and they never go below 50. So you can get a sale on anything that is coming up, but obviously you're going to want to get the best sale possible. By the way, stay tuned, Black Friday coverage. I generally put out a video, I think it's normally on the Thursday, if I can sum up all the best sales that are out there. So if you're in the world of game development and you want to know, what the best savings and deals and such out there are, stay tuned. That will probably come out the day before Black Friday, which again is Thursday. I used to do one for Cyber Monday too, which is when people like Unity would do the online sales, but Cyber Monday is kind of not really a thing anymore in my opinion. So let me know what you think. Is there anything you really want to see in these lightning deals? Do keep in mind they are a very, very, very limited time. This is one of those things where you want to be, hitting that F5 key. So do bookmark this page and check back always. Let me know what you think. Comments down below. Talk to you all later. Goodbye.